Once upon a time, in a far-off land, there lived a little girl named Lily. Lily was a sweet and kind girl who loved to help others. She lived with her parents in a small house on the edge of a forest. One day, as Lily was walking in the forest, she came across a small, injured bird. The bird had a broken wing and couldn't fly. Lily felt sorry for the bird and decided to take care of it. She brought the bird home and made a cozy nest for it. She fed it, gave it water, and made sure it was comfortable. Days turned into weeks, and the bird started to get better. Lily was happy to see the bird's wing healing and getting stronger. But as the bird started to regain its strength, it also became restless. It longed to fly and be free again. One day, as Lily was sitting by the bird's nest, the bird looked at her with its bright eyes and said, "Thank you, Lily, for taking care of me. But I want to fly again and be free. Will you help me?" Lily thought for a moment and realized that the bird was right. She didn't want to keep it in a cage forever. She knew it was time to let the bird go. She opened the window and gently placed the bird on the windowsill. The bird hesitated for a moment, looking back at Lily. But then it spread its wings and took off, flying high into the sky. Lily watched as the bird flew away, feeling both happy and sad at the same time. As she lay in bed that night, Lily thought about the bird and its freedom. She realized that sometimes, helping someone means letting them go. She also realized that even though the bird was gone, the memories of caring for it and watching it grow stronger would stay with her forever. And so, Lily fell asleep, feeling grateful for the lessons she had learned and the kindness she had shown. She knew that the world was a better place when we care for and help one another. Subscribe to my channel and please like and share. See you tomorrow with a new story. Thank you.